how to fix GTA 5 error code like this on your device. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily fix this problem, which is this error code on your GTA 5. So if you're also getting this error, so let's first read what does this error mean. So it typically occurs to the game's installation or certain system files which may prevent you from launching the game. So these errors are occurred by different factors, including like corrupted game files or incompatible software or issues with the system files. So since you have found out the reason behind the error, let me just proceed to the step. So first thing what you can do is just come over to this website and just download the particular file. As you can see, here are the steps. You just have to basically download the zip file provided inside here and copy all the files from the folder and paste them into your GTA5 directory. Before you do that, just make sure you have made a backup of your GTA5 folder so that it won't get corrupted. And if you haven't already, you can also install DirectX and Visual C++ and this insert a player game. So let me just show you an example. So the password for the file is this. Once you download, so once you tap on this download file, you will be heading over to this page where you can see the solution file. Once you successfully download it, it should look like this, and you can just extract the file from over here. And once you extract the file, all you have to do is that just make sure you just copy all of the files from that fixed folder and to your GTA5 main directory, and you might as well restart your PC, and then it should successfully work on your PC. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to channel. See you on the next one.